Good morning students. In our last lecture we have seen that Derry and Mr. Lamb, both of them met in the garden of Mr. Lamb who is 45 years old and Derry is 14 years old. One side face of Derry is burnt by acid. This is the reason that he is unable to face the society, because it was his view that wherever I go the people starts talking about my face. But Mr. Lamb wanted to fill the boy with the confidence, and he has given many example and also told him about the differences of the flowers and the weeds, and saying that where is the difference. One green plant is called weeds, wild plants, and second green plant is called flower. What is the reason behind this, and why the people are calling one plant weeds and second one flower? Where is the difference? Both of them are having life, okay. At all we can say that Mr. Lamb wanted to fill the boy with the confidence that face or your physical appearance does not have any meaning. What are you from inside? Your ideas, your thoughts are the most important things. And gradually he is seeing, slowly he is saying that the boy is getting confidence. The boy Derry also gave an example, and the example that the example of the beauty and beast, and he told that there was a beauty who loves the monstrous beast, and when she kisses him he changed into a beautiful or handsome youth. Okay, handsome youth. And second example is given by Mr. Lamb, and Mr. Lamb is saying that if you are unable to face the society by your burnt face, only one side face is burnt, and you are whole, you are perfect, there is not any weakness in your any part of the body, only one thing that you are having one side burnt face. Please try to face the world, because the world will remain same. Your face is not going to change. You should have confidence in yourself. You should try to have the confidence in yourself, okay. And he means Mr. Lamb is giving an example that there was a man, and the man has locked himself into a room because he was afraid from everything. He was thinking that if I go outside I will be suffered from the deadly germs when the people will breathe before me, and maybe he will be kicked by the donkey to the death, and light might strike on him, and a girl may love him, and he will be deceived by that girl. This is the reason that he has locked himself. He has locked himself in one room and he stayed there. Now the story is starting, boys. Okay, Derry is asking forever. The man has locked himself. Derry is asking from Mr. Lamb. The man has locked himself forever, Mr. Lamb. For a while, not forever, but for a short time. Derry, then what? Then what happened? Derry is asking, then what happened when the man has locked himself for a short time? Mr. Lamb, picture fell off the wall on his head and killed him. A picture fell on his head. A picture fell on the head of that man, and he was killed. Derry laughs a lot. Derry started laughing. Mr. Lamb, you see, are you getting? You see, are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Derry, but you still say peculiar things. Derry is saying that whatever you are telling, whatever you are saying, that is very peculiar, that is very strange thing. Mr. Lamb, peculiar to some, okay. Whatever I am saying, it is peculiar to some person. Derry, what do you do all day? Derry is asking about his work, about his work, what he does all the day, all the day. Mr. Lamb, sit in the sun, read books. Okay, Mr. Lamb told that I always, mostly I sit in the sun and read the books. Oh, you thought it was an empty house, and you were thinking that this house is an empty house, and the other things. No. It is full, books and other things. Okay, but inside, Mr. Lamb is saying that Derry, You were thinking that the house is empty, but inside it is full of books and other things also. Okay, it is full means it is full, room is full, dairy, but there are not any curtains at the window. Dairy is saying that I am seeing that there is no curtain on your window. Mr. Lamb, I am not fond of curtains. Okay, I don't like curtains. I don't like curtains. I am not fond of curtains. Setting things out, setting things in. Okay, I don't like curtains because I don't want to set the things out and set the things in. Okay, okay. Setting the things out means making the things out and making the things in. I don't like all these things. I don't like all these things. Okay, I like the light and the darkness. And Mr. Lamb is saying that he likes the darkness, he likes the light, and the windows open to hear the wind. Okay, and the windows are always open because I like to hear the sound of the winds. I like to hear the sound of the winds. Okay, dairy, yes, I like that. Yes, I also like it. When it is raining, I like to hear it on the roof. Okay, and dairy is telling to Mr. Lamb that he likes the rain, and while it starts raining, he hear it on the roof. Mr. Lamb, so you are not lost. Okay, Mr. Lamb is saying that it means that you are not perfectly lost. You are not perfectly lost. Okay, are you lost? And he is asking, are you lost? Not altogether, not perfectly. You do hear things because you hear the things, you listen the things. Dairy, they talk about me. Okay, they talk about me downstairs. Okay, once again, Dairy is losing confidence, and he is saying that the people always talk about me downstairs when I am not there. And Dairy says that when he is not present there, when he is not present there, the people talk about him. What will he ever do? And they always talks like that. What will this boy ever do? What is going to happen to him when we have gone off? When we will demise from this world, what is going to happen this boy? What is going to happen with this boy? However will he get on in this world? How will he survive in this world? How will he survive in this world? Looking like that, by such face, looking like that, having such a face means one side face of Dairy is burnt, and so the people are always talking that how will he survive on this earth. Okay, what is going to happen with him when we will demise from this world. Okay, and however he will face this world, how will he survive in this world, having such a face, with that on his face, with that on his face. Okay, with that spot, with that burning spot on his face. That is what they say. All these things the people say, all these things the people say, all these things always. Mr. Lamb, Lord, oh God, boy, you have got two arms, two legs, and eyes and ears. Okay, Mr. Lamb is saying, oh God, and signifying to the boy that you boy, you are having two arms, you are having two legs, you are having two ears, you got a tongue and a brain, you are having brain, you are having tongue. Means only one physical impairment which you are having, only one physical weakness which you are having. And Lamb is saying that that is not a physical weakness. Your one side face is burnt. Okay, but you are perfect. Okay, because what are you from inside, that is countable, that is meaningful. Okay, you will get on that way you want. Okay, you are having a perfect body, and you can go to that way whatever you like. You can go to that way whatever you like. You could get on better than all the okay. And if you choose and set your mind to it. Okay, you can achieve any goal, you can achieve success, you can achieve any destination First, you should set your mind. First, you should set your mind and choose the destination, choose the goal, and set your mind for that. You could get on better than all the rest, and you can do better work. You can perform better work from the rest of the people. Derry, how? Derry is asking how I can perform better, how I can do better work than others. Mr. Lamb, same way as I do. Same as I am doing, yeah, I do. Derry, do you have any friends? Derry is asking that do you have any friends? Mr. Lamb, hundreds. Okay, my dear students, I would like to tell you here that when Derry is asking do you have any friends and the answer was given by Lamb as he is having hundreds of friends, that was wrong. In fact, my dear students, Mr. Lamb was not having a single friend. Mr. Lamb was not having a single friend, and he was leading a life of alienated. He was leading a life of seclusion. He was leading a life of loneliness. Okay, he was desiring for friends, but no one comes to him. No one visits to him. No one comes to ask him about his health, about all other things. But he was desirous. He was desirous to have friends. He was desirous to have friends. Okay, but he was not having a single friend. But he is telling to the boy that he is having many friends. He is having many friends. Okay, guys. But I am not friend. No. No. But you live by yourself in that house. Okay. Yes. This line is expressing when Derry is saying that, but I am saying that you are living all alone in this house. You are living all alone in this house, and your house is very big. Mr. Lamb, perhaps everywhere. Perhaps everywhere. Okay, everywhere. I am having friends. People come in. Everybody knows me. Okay, the people always come in my garden, and everyone knows me. The gate always open. The gate is always open. They come and sit here. They come and sit here. Okay, the people come here and sit here, and in front of the fire in winter, and the people sit. The people sit before the fire in winter. Kids come for the apples and pears. Okay, kids always come. Kids always come in my garden for the apples and for the pears. Okay, and for the toffee, I make toffee with the honey. Okay, and the kids always come for the apples, for toffee, and for pears, because Mr. Lamb is telling that he made toffee from the honey, yeah, with the honey. Okay, anybody comes. Okay, anyone can come. Anyone comes. ठीक ना. So have you, as you have come. Derry, but I am not a friend. Derry is saying that, but I am not your friend. Mr. Lamb, certainly you are. Mr. Lamb is saying, no, certainly you are my friend. So far as I am concerned, as I am thinking, as it is my view, you are my friend. Okay, according to my view, according to my thinking, according to my thought, you are my friend. What have you done to make me think that you are not? What have you done for me? Yeah, what the wrong you have done for me, as I am not going to think that you are not my friend. Okay, you are my friend because you have not done any harmful work for me. Derry, you don't know me. Okay, and Derry is saying that how can I be your friend, because you don't know anything about me. You don't know where I come from or even what my name is. Okay, and Derry is telling that, and you are totally unacquainted that that from where I have come and what my name was. Okay, or what his name was. Okay, Mr. Lamb, why should that signify important? What is the importance of all these things? Do I have to write all your particulars down and put them in a filling box? Okay, Mr. Lamb is saying that what is the meaning of all these things here? What is the meaning of all these things? It means that first of all I should write all your particulars and then put them into a filling box before you can be a friend. Before making you a friend, I should collect every details about you and fill them in the box. Then I should select you as my friend. Derry, Mr. Lamb, I suppose not. Okay, there is saying that I suppose that there is no need of all these things. Mr. Lamb, you could tell me your name if you choose. If you like, you can tell me your name. Lamb is saying that if you like, you can tell me your name. You can tell me your name, and not if you do not. If you do not like, if you do not like, please don't tell your name. Okay, dairy, only the it's direct. Okay, my name is dairy. Okay, and I am called as a Derek, but I hate that. But I hate from this name that dairy. I hate from this name dairy. If I am your friend, you do not have to be mine. Okay, and there is saying that if I am your friend, so it is not necessary that you are going to be my friend. If I choose that, if I like that, Mr. Lamb, certainly. Okay, that certainly means it depends on your view, it depends on your thinking. Dairy, I might never come here again. Okay, suppose that I would not come here back again. I would not come here back again. You might never see me again, and you will be unable to see me again, and then I could not still be a friend, and then I will not be your friend. Okay, Mr. Lamb, why not? Why not you will? Why not? Why not? Why not you are going to be my friend? Dairy, how could I? How could I be your friend? You pass people in the street and you might even speak to them. Okay, and Dairy is saying that you pass from the street and you met from the people. Sometimes you speak from the people, but you never see them again. But you are not going to see them again. It does not mean that they are friends. It does not means. Okay, it does not mean that they are your friends. There is saying that you pass by the street, you met from many people, you see their face. Okay, and suppose that you are not going to see the face of those people again, so it does not mean that they are friends. Mr. Lamb, does not mean that they are enemies, either does it. Okay, and Mr. Lamb is telling it does not mean that they are my enemy. If they are not my friend, it does not mean that they are my enemy, either. Tell me. Dairy, no, they are just nothing people. Okay, no, they are nothing, but only they are people. They are people, that is all. Mr. Lamb, people are never just nothing. Okay, and Mr. Lamb is saying that no, people are not just nothing, that is all. Okay, okay. Dairy, there are some people I hate. Okay, Dairy is saying that there are some people from whom I hate. Mr. Lamb, that do you more harm than any bottle of acid. Acid only burn your face. Okay, Mr. Lamb is saying that your this idea, your this thought that you hate from some people, that is more dangerous than the bottle of acid, because acid can only burn your face, but the idea which you are having at this time, this is not only burning your face, this is not only burning you, but it is burning you from inside. Once again I am explaining it. Okay, Mr. Lamb is saying that your this idea that you hate some people is more dangerous than the bottle of acid, because the bottle of acid can only burn your face, but this idea is burning you from inside. Dairy, after I had come home, one person said. Okay, there is saying that when I returned from the hospital, one person said he did have been better off stopping it there. One person said that it was too good for this boy that he should stop there in the hospital. Okay, he did better off with the others like himself. Okay, and it was too good for him to be with those persons who are like those boys who are like himself. Okay, she thinks blind people, and the lady was thinking that the blind people ought to live with the blind people, and idiot boys with the idiot boys, and idiot boys should live with the idiot boys. Mr. Lamb, and people with no legs altogether. Mr. Lamb is saying it means that the people who are not having legs, they should live altogether. Dairy, that's right, Mr. Lamb. what kind of word would be that? And Mr. Lamb is saying that imagine if the burned faces boys will remain with the burned faces boys, and the one leg people will remain with the one leg people, okay, or idiot boys will remain with the idiot boys, okay. What kind of word, what come, imagine, Lamb is saying imagine, Lamb is saying that imagine what kind of word would be, what kind of, at, okay, there is saying that at least there had be nobody to stare at you because you were not like them, okay. And there is saying that yes, that will be too good because no one will have time to stare at you, no one will have time to stare at you, okay, because they will be same like you. Mr. Lamb, so you think that you are just the same as all the other people of burnt faces? Mr. Lamb is saying that it means that you are same, you are same, you are just the same, ठीक ना, as the other boys whose faces are burnt by the acid, or burnt, who are having burnt faces, okay, just by what you look like, okay, you are counting yourself only according to your physical appearance. Here Mr. Lamb wanted to say him that physical appearance is not important, okay, everything different, okay, faces just by what you look like, okay. Here he is saying that ki you are counting yourself by your physical appearance, everything different, oh, everything different, everything is the same, everything is different and everything is same. Do you make all that out? Are you understanding all these things? Okay, do you understand all these things? Okay guys, I think that is sufficient for today, and we will go through the line to line explanation in our next lecture. Thank you guys and have a nice day.